What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can go and withdraw dogs from your regular Telegram wallet. Now to do this there are basically two main methods. First, go to your Telegram wallet and select dogs. Now once we're here, I will explain you guys the two major steps you can do to do this. Now the first one is you can simply go to exchange and you can change it to tone and then you can further sell it. Now the thing is, while exchanging you will get a low price. There not be a much difference, but you will get low price. Now the other method is by sending it to another exchange like Binance and then withdrawing it. Now that's the better method. Now to exchange you can simply go and click here. Now here, as you guys can see, you can simply go and exchange from here, and the other method is by sending it to another external exchange like Binance. Go and select external wallet here, and here what you can do is paste the address where you want to send it, for example the Binance. Now open up Binance app and go to the wallets in the bottom right. Now here we'll go to spot and here we'll select deposit, search Dogecoin and selected. Now select ton. Now what you guys can do here is copy up this address and this memo code, copy both of them, and we'll go back to Telegram and we'll paste it there. Now we'll go and paste that address here. Just go simply and type in the memo code and select network as tone and you will be good to go. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.